Hello everyone and welcome. If you're wondering if you can split payments using the Walmart Pay app, well, in that case, I need to answer the question by telling you it's a big yes. Yes, you can split payments. So we're going to learn how to split payments on Walmart app using Walmart Pay. The first step is to open the Walmart app and proceed to checkout. Second step is to select the items you want to purchase and tap checkout. Third step is to tap Walmart Pay as your payment method. The fourth step is to select the payment method you want to use. It could be credit card, debit card, or gift card. Then you have to enter the payment amount for the first method. Tap Split Payment to add the second payment method. You can repeat steps 4 to 6 for the second payment method, and then you review your payment methods and amounts. Then tap Place Order to complete the transaction. It's important for you to note that some payment methods may have limits on the amount you can split. And if you're using a gift card, make sure to check the balance before splitting the payment. By following these steps, you can split payments on the Walmart app. However,